Hey guys, have you ever imagined holding a piece of anime history in your hands? Today, we're diving into the Astroboy Special Edition package, and trust me, you won't want to miss this incredible reveal. Let's get started by opening this impressive package. Right from the outset, the packaging stands out. Sleek and vibrant, it perfectly captures the spirit of celebrating 60 years of our beloved robot hero. Inside, we're greeted by an exciting assortment. A trio of Astroboy photo cards, 2 stylish stickers, and of course, the centerpiece of the collection, the iconic Astroboy white figure. This stunning 11-inch figure is more than just a toy. It's a heartfelt tribute to 6 decades of adventures and storytelling. Just look at the meticulous detail. You can almost hear Astroboy's iconic voice exclaiming, "I'll save the day." It's not just a collectible. It embodies the legacy and impact of this character in the world of anime. Next, let's take a closer look at the Astroboy boots. These aren't merely stylish. They boast a modern design that allows fans to express their love for the character in a fun and fashionable way. The vibrant colors and dynamic design make them perfect for both casual outings and anime conventions. Now, let's talk about the MagSafe charger. This is not just any charger. It's a statement piece for your workspace. It powers up your devices at lightning speed while adding a sleek, stylish touch to your desk setup. It's the perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics. Who wouldn't want that? And we can't overlook the Astroboy stickers and photo cards. These delightful extras are ideal for infusing a bit of Astroboy magic into your daily life. Whether you're personalizing your laptop, jazzing up your journal, or sharing them with friends, these little touches keep the spirit of Astroboy alive and thriving wherever you go. So there you have it, the Astroboy Special Edition package. Whether you're a lifelong fan or just beginning to explore the world of Astroboy, this collection is a fantastic way to celebrate an enduring legacy. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What's your favorite piece from this collection? Let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for more unboxings and exclusive looks at the coolest collectibles.